Hey guys, this is Matt Hahn, the Recreation Coordinator for the Village of Allouez. I know things are a little crazy and probably getting a little stale being quarantined. So one thing that our Allouez Park and Rec Department, we're trying to provide some new and different ideas that you can do at home from the safety of your home with your family. What I'm going to show you today is how to make a paper football. Makes it for a really fun game that you can do with your family. And all you need is just a simple sheet of paper. This is actually recycled paper that I had at my desk, but you can use lined paper, copy paper, whatever it is you'd like. So to make a paper football, it's just a couple easy folds. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the sheet of paper. You're going to fold it in half, hot dog style, I guess. Make it nice and crisp. Try to make it as straight as you can. Then we're going to take the paper again. We're going to make another fold right in half again, hot dog style. And make that nice and crisp. Okay, so you have a long sheet of paper like this. Next step is we are going to take one corner of the sheet of paper and you're going to fold it up to make a little bit of a diamond. So again, you're going to take it, fold it up to make it, I guess, more of a triangle than a diamond, triangle shape. So just like that. Now we're going to take that triangle and we're going to go up with it. So again, just making a nice simple fold. Okay, now we're going to take it and we're going to go back across. Again, making that triangle. Take the triangle, fold it back up the length of the paper there. Fold it back across again to make another triangle. And as you go, you're going to fight that the paper is going to try to move on you. Just kind of work with it best you can. Doesn't matter if it's a little wrinkled, a little stuffed, not a big deal. Fold it back up to make another, to fold it even with the paper. And then one more time, back across to give you your triangle. This is kind of how you should wind up at the end here. You're going to have a little bit of extra paper up here, and you have a nice little triangle down here. And if you go online, you can find lots of different ways to make paper footballs. This is just the way I find to be the easiest. What I do then is I will take this extra stuff up here, fold it down kind of across here. It's going to help you kind of stuff this extra into the paper football, making it a little bit easier to use. So fold it across, and then you're going to take this extra here, and there's a little pocket that you've created, a little pocket right here. You're going to take it and stuff all this excess paper into that pocket. And it's going to take some work. It's going to take a little bit of a maneuvering to try to get all this paper in there. But once you get it in there, it'll be perfect, a really good paper football to use and have fun with. So stuff that all in there. So then you get a nice little triangle. Now you can take it, decorate it. I have some instructions, a YouTube video showing you how to play the game paper football with your friends or family. Yeah, enjoy. Let's see if I can get this to go here. All right.